Find the domain and the range for the given function. We have y equals x squared plus 1. When we have to find the domain, it means we have to find all possible values of x for which the function is defined. So let's check what kind of operation we have on the right side. We have the power and we have addition. We know that we can add every real numbers and we can take to second powers every real number. It means for x we can put every real number. So the domain for this function is all real number. Let me write it. X is all real numbers. Now we have to find the range. The range is all possible values of y, our output of this function. So, because of the right side we have x to second power, it means we always get here positive number or equals 0. And if we add 1, the number still will be positive. So, the range will be for sure positive numbers. And because the smaller numbers which we can get from x to second power is 0, because when we take every negative number and take to second power, we will get positive number. So the smallest number which we can get here is 0. 0 plus 1 is 1. So the smallest number on the right side will be 1. And every number greater than 1. So our range on this function will be all numbers greater or equals 1.